In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters on Google Meet using desktop mode, whether you're on a PC or a laptop. Imagine transforming your video calls with fun and engaging filters, making every meeting more lively, or simply adding a touch of personality to your appearance. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive right into the process. First off, it's important to know that Google Meet allows you to apply these visual face filters to your video feed either before or during a meeting. This feature not only adds some excitement to your calls, but can also be useful for maintaining a level of professionalism with a bit of creativity. To begin, you'll either join an existing meeting or start a new one. This initial step is crucial as you'll need to be in an active session to access these visual effects. Once you're in a meeting, directing your attention to the bottom of your screen is the next step. You'll notice the familiar three-dot menu, also known as the More Options menu. Clicking on this menu will unveil a list of additional features that Google Meet offers. In this menu, you'll want to look for and select Apply Visual Effects. This option is your gateway to a variety of filters and backgrounds that can truly personalize your meeting experience. Clicking on it will open a sidebar on the right side of your screen. Now here comes the fun part. Choosing a filter, you'll see a range of categories from subtle enhancements to more playful, themed filters. Explore the options available and select the one that best suits your mood or the tone of your meeting. Whether you're looking to add a bit of flair or just want something simple, the option should cater to both personal and professional needs. It's good to know that applying a filter isn't a permanent choice. You have the flexibility to remove or change filters at any point during your call. This adaptability can help you switch from a light-hearted discussion to a more serious topic seamlessly. Remember, these filters are designed to enhance your video calls, so feel free to experiment with different looks and find what works best for you. And there you have it. A straightforward and easy to follow guide on how to add filters on Google Meet in desktop mode. With these steps, you can make your video meetings more vibrant and engaging, so go ahead and try them out in your next call. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps bring a fresh and exciting edge to your Google Meet experience.